All right, I'll see y'all on the flip side. See y'all on the flip side. Okay, I'm fourth. Wheat is terrible. I think 693 just goes right away. 8510 goes right away. 6511 might be pretty juicy here. 6114 is also not bad. It's just brick is so sad. This is going to be the slowest game in the world. I feel like whoever is playing the most consistent or wheat sheep game is just going to blast off here. Either that or like maybe an 8410 to 5102. That way I can get a free road to like the sheep port and then use sheep as my fuel. That's something that's worth considering maybe. Yeah. The wood port is also fair. Excuse me. Yeah, 693 kind of goes without saying. And now wheat is just nowhere. And expanding to this 5-2 is just going to be... I think that this 9-10-2 is actually going to be super valuable. I think I'm kind of forced to take it, to be honest. Like, I might consider like a 5-9-10, 9-10-2 with a road out to the 6-2. Oh... It would Jimbo Jambo take the 6-2 as a plow. If so, that would be so brutal. Or honestly, 6-5-11. I actually like where I am at this stage. Interesting. Wow. Okay. Huh. Okay, there's no way Jimbo takes the 6-2 after this. So, do I go like 6-5-11, 9-10-2 maybe? Oh, ho, 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 ho. I don't know. There's so many free roads. There's so many free roads. Unfortunately, giving orange 8-4-10 is not great, but you can only really do so much here. I'm going for 8-4-10, 6-5-11 was definitely tempting, but I couldn't do it. I couldn't bring myself to do it. Also, I think I should have pointed my road up, but it's fine. I need to hope to be able to like 4-for-1 my wood down the line. Yep, that makes sense. Oh, oh, we're leaving 8-4-10 to like black, which is crazy. That's just crazy. Leaving 8-4-10 to black. That seems like a tough deal. Yeah. And now, I guess blue goes 4-9-11 probably. Ooh, if blue was able to race black to the 8-4-3, that would be incredible. Give me a road network on the 3-10-11. I don't think 3-10-11 makes a ton. Like, it makes some sense for them. But I think the 4-9-11 just makes a bit more sense. Oh boy, I put myself in a weird spot. Yep, I think that's right. I think that makes sense here. Yep. Okay. The 3-10-11 I think is open to me. Nice 6. I think I want this 6-2. This 6-2 is essential, so. Yep. I actually don't hate my odds here. I don't hate my odds this game. I have the best road network of anybody. I'm getting the wood I need. It's fine. Oof. Nice 10. Beautiful 10. I'm trying to hold here. I'm holding strong. That's really good for blue, but... Oh, really? Okay. Come on, twos, big money. Twos are the way. I also almost have a city, which is wild, but... I am a 5 away, weirdly. Oh, do I do it? Oh, that feels so bad. I feel like I'd almost rather 4 for 1 for the city instead of 4 for 1ing for... That's such a tough block. No! This feels terrible. I have no choice. Yeah, I actually have no choice. I don't know why I'm even thinking about it. I have no choice. We're fine. We're moving on. I now have a 3 for 1. I can 3 for 1 my wood to hopefully beat blue to the 3, 10, 11. Are you gonna try to beat me there? No shot. Nope. You're not even trying it, which is good. Nice, 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 nice. I need to cut blue off. I need to do it like now. That's bad. Can't do anything about that. Uh-oh. Oh, okay. Jimbo was struggling. I don't think I ever get blocked here, which is very nice. I think it just sits on like the 4 sheep or something, or the 3 ore. Once this gets removed. Ooh. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Honestly, if a 5 rolls, I pivot, I think, and build a city. I think I actually dev, weirdly enough, here. Ooh, okay. That VP is... That could have been better, but... At least, hopefully, we'll get unblocked here by blue. Hopefully. Blue? No? Big sad? Okay. I did have 2 roads in hand, but... I think right now, deving is... Having night control is going to be super helpful, because blue and black are just insane. I do have to be very careful, though. Because I think blue is going to try to connect real soon. Also, I didn't have the road settle there, did I? No, I didn't. I was close. I almost had the road settle, but... Yeah, I mean, yeah, if I could, like, hand pick rolls, I think a 2... Or well, okay, they rolled a 7, which is awesome. But, a 2 or a 6 would be great. Unfortunately, I think the 6 is about to be blocked, yeah. Which is a shame, but... So it goes. All the more reason for me to try to get to the 3, 10, 11 first. Yep. Now the race is officially on. Ooh, nice. Okay. Yeah, nice. Huge, massive. Okay. We've got outs here. Ooh, that's a great one. Okay. We're very close to this 3, 10, 11. Hey there, if you're enjoying the video, please consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons. It helps out the channel a ton. Anyway, back to the match. Oh boy. Do I really do this? Yeah, I think I have to. I'm at 8. I'm not getting plowed here. I'm not getting I'm not getting plowed this turn, is more what I mean. And yeah, we're already... Ooh, now I have a free dev. We'll take it. Ooh. Nice. Got the settle. Black is just going crazy. I think black just wins, like, very shortly. But I'm so excited for this settle, though. I mean, I'm not that far. Like, I'm 2 roads from taking road. But unfortunately, I'm fighting Jimbo for it. Yeah. Huh. A yop? Interesting. Okay. Actually, I don't hate that. I actually don't hate that. It lets me connect right away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. I mean, okay, no. I need to be yopping for a city is what I really need. I'll city up to 5, 6, 11 next turn. Yeah. And then I'll be at 6. I'll have to take road for 8. I mean, depending on what happens, if an 11 rolls, I could plow Jimbo, which would be... That would be something. Yeah, this yop is actually really good. I'm really happy with this yop. And somehow, yeah, blue just kind of fell out of it crazily. Yeah. Okay, nice sheep, I guess. Doesn't really do much, but it's fine. Ideally, I would get a 6 or a 5. That way I don't have to 3 for 1. Ooh. This sucks. What am I supposed to do with this? Nice. While I'm almost certainly, or I'm not in last, but also me and Jimbo look like we're in really similar spots here. And oh, come on, you're not gonna block the 6 wheat? Really? I'm shocked that you didn't block the 6 wheat. That's crazy. I mean, I guess black just like whatever is it anyway, so it doesn't really matter, but yeah. Now is when we need the 11s and 2s to pull through for me. So black thinks I'm the next biggest... I mean, I guess it hurts both Jimbo and I, but it hurts me more. Okay. I think now is the time to connect. Or is it? I actually don't know. I'm not sure it's time to connect. I mean, I am constantly at risk of blue plowing me, so that is something for me to keep in mind. But I think if an 11 or a 2 rolls, I think I'm kind of obligated to just connect for... So that, like, black doesn't take it with a road builder or something. Honestly, what would be sick is if I'm able to get roads to cut off orange as well. That hurts. Guess I'll dev. Okay. Okay. We're... I mean, I think black just wins, like, next turn anyway, so it's really just not great. But, you know, I think I just have to mono whatever black has to prevent them from getting anything. Black has a fair amount of wheat, I think. Or wood. Or ore. That took a lot of effort. Huh. No, Jimbo! Basically, there's nothing that I can mono that really hurts black all that much. Like, black is super diverse with what they have. I think they have double dev in hand right now. Yeah, they have double dev in hand. Okay, now I just have to. I think I dev anyway, so I'll do this at first. A knight is actually super lame, but I maybe should have extended it one more so that I maybe should have extended one more so that even if Jimbo connects that they don't take road, but yeah, I mean, yeah, like, yeah. Yep. Not much I could do about that one. But so it goes. GG's. GG's. We'll take it. Nice. Ori cheap is definitely pretty insane. Oh, the lack of 7s was also very helpful for them because it stayed on that 11 brick for like ever. And I think I would have been able to get off to a slightly faster start if I had gotten those couple of 11s at the beginning. But that's results-oriented thinking. That's how that goes. I don't really have any comments for this, but let's see how the rest of the games are going.